Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to Islamiat class. How are you and how is everything going? That's good to know. So let us start our lecture uh, with Islamiat book class 2. Today we are going to learn about a very important thing, and that is the thing that is our duty to perform on daily basis 5 times a day. I hope you get me what I'm talking about. Yes, I am talking about namaz. We are going to read about namaz. Okay, open your books. Can you please tell me how many prayers are there and what is namaz? Namaz is the namaz is the duty or namaz is the performance to perform in front of Allah. Yes, we are there to perform our namaz in front of Allah to perform our duty in a very good way to prove ourselves that we are good Muslims and Allah is there to protect us and we are thanking Him by obeying Him and by offering our prayer. Let us read. All Muslims must pray 5 times a day. All Muslims must pray 5 times a day. This is called namaz. It is an important pillar of Islam. In namaz, we praise Allah and accept that He is our master and we are His servants. We ask Him for guidance and thank Him for all that He has given us. Allah loves and blesses those who pray to Him. This is what I have told you already, that Allah loves those people who praise to Him, who obeys Him, who are there to thank Him, that thank you for giving us everything, that thank you to give us, providing us everything. So this is this is what I was telling, that Allah Ta'ala loves us and He blesses those who pray to Him. The Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, of all our acts, Allah likes the namaz the most. I mean, if you're offering prayer, it means that Allah loves you the most. Allah likes this act the most. You are doing bad deeds, you are offering prayer, the bad deeds are washing away. You are doing something bad and you are offering regular prayer, your deeds are bad deeds are there, but when you are offering prayer, that bad deeds are washing away. Now tell me, there are 5 farz or compulsory namaz in a day. There are 5 farz or a compulsory namaz in a day. Each has first rakats or cycles of prayer. In Arabic, namaz is called salah. Children should start praying at the age of 7. It becomes compulsory for around the age of 10. See, I told you, when you will become of 7 years age, it is important to offer prayer. But when you will be of 10 years of age, namaz will be farz on you. Then your guna will be counted. Your bad deeds will be counted. Angels will write your bad deeds on your shoulders in your book. Children, we read passages of surahs from the Quran in namaz, which I told you, Surah Fatiha, Surah Ikhlas. I will tell you how to offer prayer. Even we face the Khana Kaaba when we offer our namaz. Khana Kaaba is also called Qibla. Now see, let the 5 daily prayers are Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. Let's revise the rakats and teaching timings of each. Now Fajr has before sunrise, it is always over before sunrise, and it has 2 farz and 2 sunnahs. Zohar is offered in afternoon. It has 4 farz, 4 sunnahs and 2 sunnahs separately. Asr has late afternoon, 4 farz and 4 sunnahs. Maghrib just after sunset, 3 farz, 2 sunnahs. Isha at night we offer it 4 farz, 4 sunnahs and then 2 sunnahs. Besides farz and sunnah, the rakats are also along with the first namaz to praise and please Allah. Nafal rakats are also there. Nafal are not mentioned. Nafals are there. It is our duty that we will offer. It will be sawab for us. If we will not offer, it will not be a guna. But it is good that we should have to offer full prayer. Now, children, as I have told you, can you please tell me how many prayers are there? There are 5 prayers. What are their name? There are 5 prayers. What are their name? Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. These are 5 prayers. Now, Fajr has 2 sunnahs and 2 farz. Oh, sorry. Zohar has 4 sunnahs and 2 sunnahs, then 4 farz. Asr has 4 sunnahs and 4 farz. Maghrib has two sunnahs and three firsts. Isha has four and two sunnahs and four firsts. You should have to remember these rakats whenever you are offering prayer. They should be in your mind that what are the prayers or what are the rakats you are going to offer. Now, what are the benefits of namaz? Let me tell you the benefits of namaz. Namaz teaches us to bow down to Allah and to accept Him as our master. We are closest to Allah when we are praying. We are closest to Allah when we are praying. In namaz, we ask Allah for His teachings, His blessings, and forgiveness. Whenever we are taking our hands up and we are, Allah, please forgive us. We are doing bad deeds. Please forgive us for those. So it means that namaz is giving us benefits. We have an opportunity to talk to Him. We have an opportunity to sit in front of Him. And namaz makes us punctual and disciplined. It keeps us away from mischief. I will just give you a short clip of namaz. See, you have to Allahu Akbar. Then you have to bind your hands here. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghayril maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahus samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Allahu Akbar. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, Allahu Akbar, Sami Allahu liman hamida, Rabbana lakal ham, Allahu Akbar. Then we have to go down, Subhana Rabbiyal Ala, Subhana Rabbiyal Ala, Subhana Rabbiyal Ala, Allahu Akbar. We need to go down our head two times and then we have to say Tashwad, Attahiyatun Lillahi wa salawatu wa tayyibatu. Assalamu alayka ya Nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu wa ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Then درود ابراهيمي اللهم صل على محمد وعلى ال محمد كما صليت على ابراهيم وعلى ال ابراهيم انك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى ال محمد كما باركت على ابراهيم وعلى ال ابراهيم انك حميد مجيد ربي اجعلني مقيم الصلاه ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء ربنا اغفر لي ولوالدي وللمؤمنين يوم يقوم الساعه السلام عليكم والسلام عليكم. This is the way we have to offer our prayer. I didn't get up because if I'll go there, then it would not be able, you would not be able to see me fully. It is on the laptop, that's why. But inshallah, when we will be live, when we will be in live class, I will show you how to offer prayer. Then the most important things before namaz, before reciting Quran is wuzu. What is ablution? It is called ablution. And wuzu is means to wash and purify oneself for namaz. We must do wuzu before praying. In wuzu, we wash our hands, mouth, nose, face, and feet to make ourselves clean and pure. Our cloth and place we must pray be clean. We have to wash our hands like this. So we have to wash our hands. I was telling you, then we need to rinse our water in the mouth, and then we do kulli, that is called. Then we have to, with the left hand, we put the water in nose, and then with this finger, we take out all the dirt in our nose. We have to wash our face fully till here. No place should be dry. 3 times. After that, we have to clean our arms till here, till elbows, fully 3 times. And then we have to take masa. Ashhadu la ilaha illallah. Half head masa. We have to put our fingers in our ears, and then we have to do masa of our neck also, back and front. Then we need to wash our feet fully. This is all about our wuzu. Okay, now wuzu is performed. I told you this is all done with the water, with the tap. You used to do it with the water. Let us do some questions. What is salat? Offering prayers 5 times a day is called salat. Good. Names and timings of 5 prayers. What are the names? Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. And what are their timings? Fajr before sunset, Zohar afternoon, Asr late afternoon, Maghrib just after sunset, and Isha night time. From what age should we start praying? We have to start praying from the age of 7. Why are Sunnat and Nafal rakats offered? Sunnat and Nafal rakats are offered to praise Allah, to praise and please Allah. Name some of the benefits of namaz. We are the best benefit that we are closest to Allah, and we ask His blessings and forgiveness. We are closest to Allah when we are. Now let us write the question answers. I don't think so that there are some difficult words in this chapter. I do not want to perform that activity every time because there are not too much difficult words here. You have done many of them before, but still there are 2, 3. I will let you know. So the first word that I found is praise. 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 Compulsory. 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 Then rakats. Rakats. Then passages. 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 So the 4 words are done, passages, and now Qibla. 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 Then punctual. 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 These are some of the words you have to learn, and this is supposed to be done by you all. Let me tell you something that we are going to write the question answers. Please look at the board carefully. I will write a topic that is namaz. What is salat? Tell me. What is salat? Muslims offer 5 times a day. This is called salat. This is called salat. Or you can write, Muslims bow down their head in front of Allah 5 times a day. This is called salat. We offer prayer to thank Allah, and we offer prayer to thank Allah. This is called salah. There are many answers of salah. Write the names and timings of the 5 prayers. To Fajr, before sunrise. Zohar, you can write in a line, okay? Afternoon. Asr, late afternoon. Fourth one is Maghrib, just after sunset. And last is Isha, night time. So these are our 5 prayers. We need to offer them. They are their timings. From what age should we start praying? From the age of? From the age of 7. Why are Sunnat and Nafaz are offered? Sunnat and Nafaz are offered to praise and please Allah. Okay, the last is name some of the benefits of namaz. Some of the benefits of namaz I'm going to write on the small board. Till the time you write down. We are closest to Allah when we are praying. We are closest. So, children, I was telling you the benefits of namaz. When we offer prayer, we are closest to Allah when we are praying. The first benefit, the most important benefit is this, and the other benefit is that namaz makes us punctual and disciplined. Alhamdulillah, these are the most important things that we need in our life, and namaz makes us punctual. Punctuality is the key to success. Punctual and disciplined, and being disciplined is also an other good thing that should be in our behavior. These are the two benefits you are supposed to write, because there is less space, so I do not want to write more benefits. There are many benefits. If we are going to write them, then the space will be less, so you should have to write two benefits. Now the third thing we are going to do is use these words to fill in the blanks. The words are given. As you know the activity, we are going to do the fill in the blanks. We are closest to Allah when we are praying. This is what I was telling you in the last question, the benefits of namaz. Namaz is an important dash of Islam. Pillar of Islam, I have told you, there are 5 pillars. The second pillar of Islam is namaz. So namaz is an important pillar of Islam. We read passages or dash from the Quran in namaz. We read passages or surahs. There are two surahs we used to perform whenever we are standing in front of Allah. So two important surahs are always there. After Surah Fatih, you can recite Surah Ikhlas or any short surah, which is easy for you, which you have learned. Surah Ikhlas, if you know, then that is the best thing. We face the dash while praying. Where do we have to face our body, and which thing we have to face? That is Qibla or Khana-e-Kaaba. Dash means to purify oneself before a namaz. Wuzu. You need to make wuzu before offering any prayer or before doing any, before recitation of Quran, before offering prayer. You need to be very pure, clean, and yes, clean and pure. So this is all about namaz. I hope you have understood it well. You have to offer prayers. If you do not offer prayer, please start offering praying now. And do remember the names of namaz. Do remember their rakats. Do remember their timings. You have to offer prayer on their times. And if you are not of 7 years age, the namaz is not first on you. But when you are of 7 years age and when you are 10 years of age, namaz is compulsory of you. This is all about today. Inshallah, I will be meeting in the next class. Take care.